Aston Martin DBS battery replacement. Right side door. Back to this right side rear seat. Here's the screw. Two is right there. One is there. One already missing. So first you have to remove this piece. I can show you from here. These screws right there. 5 number Allen key. Two. Three. One more, but my side one is already missing. You see, when you remove its screw, this thing should be little bit to your side, just like this, and this inside this piece will be come out. This piece will be come out. Here is your battery. As you see, some kind of this, I think looking like flasher, and some fuses are there. 1, 2. It's come with 90 amperes. This battery.